So I'm very impressed with that. Go back to the high beam. Yeah, budget-friendly light, throws out a lot of light. Hey, I'm Steve, and this is the Kryptonite Comet F100 LED bicycle light. This is a budget-friendly bike light, so let's get into it. Simple packaging inside. You get a brochure and the light itself, and it's a small light, you can see, in relation to my hand. The installation is going to be very simple on this light. Simply strap it around your handlebar and snap it into the provided clip. The thing I like about this light is you don't have to use it just for bikes. You can strap that around virtually anything and use the light for whatever you need to use the light for. Powering the light on is very simple. You simply depress the lens itself, click it, it's on. Click it again, you get a strobe effect. Click it again and you turn it off. It couldn't be any more simple. I have a couple of e-bikes that I intend to use this light for, so let's do a darkness test. Now I'm in my garage, but I can make it pretty dark in here. There's the light on high beam. Click it again and you get the strobe effect. Now that strobe effect, everybody's definitely going to see that, and that's what you want. You want to ride safe at night. Click it, turn it off, back on. Now that's throwing out a lot of light in my dark garage from a small light. That's very bright. I'm going to click it again, give you the strobe. There's your, I would consider that a huge safety feature right there, riding at night, which is what I got this light for. So I'm very impressed with that. Go back to the high beam. Yeah, budget-friendly light, throws out a lot of light. Pretty impressive. If you're looking at this product, I hope you found this video helpful.